All right. Question number 7. It says a fair coin is tossed 2 times in succession. The set of equally likely outcomes is heads heads, heads tails, tails heads, and tails tails. If you notice here, there are 4 outcomes, 4 possible outcomes. Write that better. Find the probability of getting the same outcome on each toss. So we want to find the probability of the event. Probability of same outcome. To find the probability of the same outcome, that's going to equal to the total number of ways for the same outcome divided by the total number of possible outcomes. Let's focus on our denominator first. There are 4 total possible outcomes. So my denominator is 4. How many outcomes are of the same? When we look at our sample space, that is going to be heads heads and tails tails. Examining both of these, we can see that we have the same outcome on each toss. So that's going to be 2 out of 4, which reduces to 1/2. And that is the answer to number 7. All right, let's move on to number 8. Number 8 says, if you flip a coin 3 times, the possible outcomes are as follows. Let's put commas between these as well. And if you look at the possible outcomes, we can see that there are 8 possible outcomes. So let's write that down. 8 possible outcomes. It says, what is the probability of getting at least 1 head? So the probability of having at least 1 head. This is equal to the total number of outcomes that give us at least 1 head divided by the total number of possible outcomes. Our denominator is going to be 8 because there are 8 possible outcomes. When it says getting at least 1 head, at least means that number or more. So 1 or more heads. Which outcomes have 1 or more heads? Put that in blue. The first one, let's actually undo that so we can not have a better, there we go. The second one, the third option, the fourth option, the fifth option, the sixth option, and the 7th option. But notice we're not going to choose the 8th option. The 7 options that are highlighted in blue have at least 1 head, 1 or more H's presented. So the probability of having at least 1 head, that is going to be 7 out of 8. And that is the answer to this question. All right, guys. Hope that made sense when it came to flipping the coin 2 times and 3 times. Hopefully it made sense on how to read the question clearly. Zoom out just in case you want a screenshot of it. And I'll catch you guys in the next video. Take care.